the value of m, that is the gradient of this line, is equal to 5. So since the question say the line passes to -2, 10 and parallel, so parallel means we will use that the gradient m equals to 5. And in order to find the equation of a straight line, we will use this formula y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. So substitute y1 with the coordinate just now, which is 10, and then m is the gradient equals to 5, x minus x1. x1 is -2. So substitute into here, we will get -2 will become +2. And then simplify, we should get the equation y equals to 5x plus 20. Okay? Next, example 6, we are asked to determine if the line y minus 2x equals to 1 is perpendicular to 2y plus x equals to 2. Remember, for two lines to be perpendicular, the product of the two gradient must be equals to -1. So let's start off with equation 1. Y minus 2x equals to 1. So from here change to y equals to mx plus c. Then we can say y equals to 2x plus 1. So m will be equals to 2. Let's say this is m1. Then we will do the same for the second line. 2y plus x equals to 2. Change to y equals to mx plus c. So we will get y equals to -half x plus 1. So from here, the gradient will be equals to -half, or we say m2 equals to -half. So since m1, which is 2, times m2, which is -half, the answer is equals to -1, then we can say both the lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay? Okay, let's look at example 7. We are asked to find the equation of a straight line that passes through 1, 2 and perpendicular to x plus 5y equals to 2. So the first step is to find the gradient of this line. So x plus 5y equals to 2, change this to y equals to mx plus c. So we will get m will be equals to -1/5. So since this is perpendicular, so the next step is to find the gradient of the perpendicular line. Yeah? So if this is -1/5, then m2 will be equals to 5, because m1 times m2 must be equals to -1. So therefore, if m1 equals to -1/5, then m2 will be equals to +5. Okay? So with this gradient, next to find the equation, we will use the formula y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. So substitute y1 with the coordinate 2, and then 5 times x minus x1 is substitute with 1. Okay? The gradient is equal to 5. Then we expand this equation, simplify, we will get the equation y equals to 5x minus 3. Okay?